52. Life is full of ups and downs, highs and lows. Some of you may be in the middle of your worst moments, but ask yourself, are you chasing a long life or are you chasing a good life? See, Jesus Christ only walked this earth for 33 years. And most of us would say that's just not enough time. But within those 33 years, he fulfilled a lifetime's worth of purpose. You see, people don't remember you for how long you live. They remember you for what you did. So we don't remember Jesus for 33 years. We remember him because of the gift of salvation. Now we have a tough decision to make. All of us are in the same position that Paul was in. We know his health was in question because of the thorn in his side. Paul could have spent all his time and all that he had chasing doctors and chasing remedies, and nobody would remember Paul. Instead, Paul chose to chase purpose, and because of this, he wrote almost half of the New Testament. And the letters that he wrote to the church, though he's gone hundreds of years later, those letters are still saving and changing lives today. So make your decision, Group 52. In the midst of what you're going through, we all want long, healthy lives. But would you dare to chase purpose? To be as bold as Paul and Jesus and chase the good life? God bless you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.